Mheshimiwa Hawandai, and Mr. Speaker, when in my opening remarks, there is an issue that I raised on sub judice, and I will do my best to answer so that I do not touch on the issues that are before court for determination. Mr. Speaker, I don't know whether this document is with you, and I want to answer the issue, the matter on the affidavit of Mbere, on the withdrawal of the issue of the attempted rape that he's talking about. And that is indeed the issue that Mheshimiwa Ichung'wa was trying or sharing, because even before this happened, and shared with my very close friends. Mr. Speaker, I'm an open book. In fact, those that write and say I've litany of cases is an understatement. As I sit here, I have 35 cases in court as I am sitting here. 35. And these 35...
Of a civil nature or criminal nature?
They are civil, Mr. Speaker. I have no criminal case in any court in this country. And I'm saying the only criminal case that I had in court is a case between the Republic and I, where the complainant was buried. And I think, since everybody knows the kind of band relationship that I had with the NDCI, and my political persuasion that, or the political position I'm taken in the last general election, or since the handshake, Mr. Speaker, I was the complainant. I was the complainant in this case because this was a case of abduction, Mr. Speaker. And it's a case where people wanted to extort money from me, and I will share the affidavit by Mbere herself, where she's saying that she has reconciled her conscience and she has reflected on the facts and the circumstances relating to this complaint, and she has decided on her own volition to withdraw. Mr. Speaker, the DCI himself decided that Medeka must be turned into a victim. It is just last week when the DCI officers came to my office and even brought me the cash bill and the money that they had recovered from the abductors, because immediately I was abducted and I was released after giving 200,000 shillings and they were asking for 1 million shillings. I reported the matter at Nanyuki DCI offices. The record is there, Mr. Speaker. And I remember I was with you, I don't know whether I shared, Mr. Speaker, when we were there, in Diani, Mr. Speaker, when we had the Senate committee in Diani in last year, but one, where I was asking whether I would get permission to go to Nanyuki to record a statement to this effect so that these abductors would have been taken to court. But
I missed the Diani meeting.
2 years ago, Mr. Speaker, the Committee on National Security, we had a meeting in Diani. That is the time.
The committee with you, but
yes.
I was not in Diani.
Yeah?
I was a member of the committee with you, I agree.